first. Ready? Here we go. Say, watch Mimi.
Watch me.
Okay. Down the floor.
Casting Crowns, James, or Lane, or Dara, is who sings the song.
James Laney Dara. Who am I?
Here, listen to the song.
You're in pain. Your face. Lane.
I know you've heard the song. The song's awesome. You heard the song, it's outrageous. It was in the movie too. When the song came out, like, I don't know, I heard it a couple months ago.
Now do the leg. All right, we're gonna stand up. Say, we're gonna go around the corner. Say, keep taping, we're coming. We're going this way.
The song's good. I think the song's really cool.
Did you see the movie?
I know we were going to go see it last night, but the last showing was at 7:30 or something.
Here we go. Hang on.
So we saw something else.
2, 3, 4, 7. Now. Now.
You show it tape.
Lady. Now.
What's that?
You don't remember those?
I really can't hear it that well.
Yeah. You should download it or something. No, it's a good
Lady,
song.
we're going to leap
Yeah.
again. Hurry.
Casting Crowns, they had another song here a while back that was pretty good. Is that Ladanian?
Hi, Tess.
Yep.
Hi,
I
Tess.
still can't believe Reggie Bush is he's in Miami. He had a good day today too. Was he with Miami?
Yeah. Yeah, they won again
They
today.
won today.
Yep.
You should show it.
Yeah, they beat Washington. Is that who they beat? Washington today?
Show
Yeah.
it